Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Shayon and you are watching All About Sales. So guys, today we are going to discuss about the 26 best places to visit in Spiti Valley. So without wasting any more time, let's go for it. First, Ki Monastery for a spiritual experience. Ki Monastery or Kaigompa is one of the most popular places to visit in Spiti Valley, located in the Skaja region, overlooking the Spiti River at an altitude of 4,112 meters. Ki Monastery is one of the biggest gompas, known for the stunning Buddha shrine, ancient books, manuscript, and murals. Next, Tabo Monastery, one of the best attraction. Well known for its majestic paintings, Tabo Monastery is one of the ancient places to visit in Spiti Valley. It has 9 temples of Tara and Buddha, Maitreya, and multiple stupas. They are the key attraction of the monastery. Next, Lalung Monastery, historicity and spirituality. Lalung is one of the earliest monasteries of Spiti, founded by Richen Zongpo, a Buddhist Mahaguru. Adorned by complex of 9 shrines, this ancient monastery is considered as a hub of Buddhist teachings. Next, Gandhola Monastery. Witness the heritage. Founded by Padma Sambhava, Gandhola Monastery is almost 800 years old and is famous for wooden idol and shrines. Situated at a meeting point of Chandra and Bhaga, the monastery is simple, basic, yet has a heritage value. Next, Chandratal, ideal for photography. If water bodies bring alive the poet in you, Chandratal is one of the most spectacular places to visit in Lahul Spiti Valley. The name has been derived from its crescent moonline shape. Next, Surajtal, for adventures and nature lovers. Surajtal, which is literally means the sun lake, is one of the most photogenic places in the Lahul and Spiti Valley. Located close to Balacha Pass, this spectacular lake is frequented mostly by nature lovers, ardent trekkers and photographers. To see it at its colorful best, visit Surajtal during the summer months of May to October. Next, Dhankar Lake, a sight worth beholding. Undeniably one of the mesmerizing things to see in Spiti Valley. Dhankar or Sarkund Lake is the fabulous natural lake perched on a cliff of 4,270 meters. A slightly challenging trek leads to this scenic lake, where the heavenly views of clear lake water and breathtaking mountain was of the weariness of the trek. Next, Kunjum Pass, Trekker's Paradise. Snuggled in Kunjum Range at 4,590 meters, Kunjum Mountain Pass bridges Kulu and Lahul Valley with Spiti Valley. This is an important place on Spiti Valley map. The region offers a jaw-dropping vistas and Chandrabhaga Range and can be accessed by trekking from Chandratal Lake. Next, Balacha Pass, breathtaking views. Beside being a nexus for multiple hilly roads between Lahul and Ladakh, Balacha on Manali Leh Highway in Zangsar is one of the most challenging passes for adventure lovers. It is here that you can see the intersection of Pir Panjal, the Great Himalayan and the Zangsar Range. Bhaga and Yumnam River on the side add to the beauty of the pass. Pin Valley National Park for flora and fauna. Located by semi-frozen streams, Pin Valley National Park is a rich bioreserve of rare to endangered flora and fauna, which makes it one of the most thrilling places to see in Spiti Valley. Park's sprawling reserve is home to snow leopard, snow cocks, chukar partids, and Siberian ibex. Many medicinal plants, alpine vegetation, cedar, deodar trees are commonly seen here too. Next, Kibbar, awe-striking hamlet. Spiti Valley has some of the most picture-perfect hilly hamlets, and Kibbar is one of them. Frequented by adventure freaks and hardcore trekkers, it is surely one of the most picturesque yet challenging places to visit in Spiti Valley. Next, Losar, serene tourist site. Losar, one of the must-visit place of Spiti, is placed right next to the Indo-Chinese border at confluence of Losar and Pino streams. It is one of the pristine villages in Spiti Valley, untouched by tourism. Udaipur, vibrant tourist place. Famed for Morikula Mata Temple, Udaipur is one of the most picturesque places in Spiti. It is a popular pilgrimage center for Hindus and Buddhists and is equally popular among backpackers and trekkers. Its location is also spot on right by the Chandrabhaga river bank. Next, Komik, for trekking and camping. Yes, Komik is world's highest village with road, roughly 20 km from Kaza. It is a small beautiful village located at 18,000 feet above the sea level. Next, Darcha, witness the local culture. With just about 300 inhabitants, Darcha is that isolated clusters where all your camping goals comes to life. lifestyle in here is simple yet beautiful. Wake up to the valley views and enjoy local delights as you spend your time in Darcha. Next, Trilokinath Temple, a religious experience. One of the top places to visit in Spiti. Trilokinath Temple holds a great value in the heart of both locals as well as tourists. Located in Tund village, the temple sits on a cliff and offers amazing views of the surroundings. Next, Sasur Monastery, views and more. This monastery has got its name from the blue pines that surrounded it. The monastery has 3 stories. It gives breathtaking views of the surroundings, and this is one of the best Spiti Valley tourist places where you are visiting with your families or friend. Next, Tayul Monastery, religiously rich site. Home to the biggest statue of Padmasava, this monastery is one of the place you must visit while holidaying in Spiti. The Gompa of the monastery incorporates money wheels, and it is believed that they let the visitors receive the compassion of God. Next, Kardang Monastery beside the beautiful Bhaga River. Located near the Bhaga River, this monastery is nestled amidst lush greenery and picturesque mountain. It will give peace and tranquility of your mind and soul like never before. The monastery has a white building decorated with prayer flags that gives the most positive feeling. Next, Tangyud Monastery, awe-striking architecture. This monastery is unique because of the fact that its structure is the form of castle. The castle-type monastery has huge mud walls and is situated at the edge of the canyon. For a thrilling experience, you must visit this monastery. Next, Kelong Market, Shopaholic's paradise. If you want to have a great shopping experience, then you must visit the famous Kelong Market. This is the place where you will get a variety of woolen items like mufflers, shawls, caps and more. You can have buy of the most beautifully designed traditional jewelry, ceramic items and stones. Next, Kungri Monastery, second oldest monastery. One of the best highlight in Pin Valley, Kungri Monastery is considered to be an attraction worth visiting owing to its religious and traditional beauty. It ranks second amongst the oldest monastery in Spiti. The monastery is frequented by various tourist pilgrims as well as scholars of Buddhism. Next, Sarchu, backpackers' favorite. This town lies around the periphery of Ladakh and Himachal Pradesh and is also known by the name Sar Bhumchun. Established at a height of 4,290 meters, this town is enveloped within Balaja mountain and Lachungla. This place is admired as one of the best camping sites in Spiti Valley and find its place in the travel plans of dedicated backpackers. Tasigang, isolated heaven. Established on the banks of Sutlej River, Tasigang is a beautiful village that lies at the highest valley point of Spiti Valley, that is 4,650 meters. The village comprises only 4 houses and the whole population has around 6 families. This is one of the best Spiti Valley tourist places for those who want to explore the offbeat region here. Next, Nako Lake, natural beauty amidst the mountain. This is one of the most mesmerizing places to see in Spiti Valley, as it is an eye-pleasing reservoir that is covered by greenery from all the directions. This serenity and heartwarming beauty of the lake will keep you hooked throughout your visit. There are 4 amazing temples that are based on Tibetan religious aspects and are known for their historicity. The next one and last one is Dhankar Monastery, serene ambience. Dhankar Monastery, also known as Dhankar Gompa, is isolated in Lahaul district of Spiti. Perched at an altitude of 12,774 feet, this peaceful monastery is known for offering panoramic views of the entire Spiti Valley. The monastery was built around 1000 years ago and overlook the stunning confluence of Spiti and Pin rivers. So guys, this was for today. Guys, if you like this video, do like, and if there is any type of suggestion or comment, please comment down below, and please suggest me that what the topic should be for next video. Follow to my Instagram account and you can DM me the suggestion of the next videos. My Instagram handle is going down below. So that was for today. Thank you. See you soon.